So moving forward, our final destination, but the most important destination, that is that's how that and that's the reason that we created SHRP, right? And that's what we are working hard to empower young professionals, to empower young HR professionals. That is what we are moving forward for you, Aratna. And for proceeding for that, would like to invite amazing personality, right? And I'm so honored to give introduction to that person. Always smiling, always charming, going, I think so, अनिल कपूर जो है, अनिल कपूर के साथ साथ उनका भी नाम हम ले सकते हैं. आई एम श्योर somebody can guess, but let me tell. A former senior vice president human resource and services, GSFC, director on board GSFC Agro Tech Limited, director of GSFC University, 30 plus years HR leadership across sectors like dairy, energy, mining, chemicals, fertilizers, a fractional CHRO trustee, professor of practice and management, GSFC University, certified international trainer, prolific speaker, ISCC HR Excellence Awardee, ex-BMA president, author of Sandeep's Sermons, 40 plus editions, and fitness enthusiastic, marathoner, cyclist, tracker, passionate about youth education and HR community building. इंट्रोडक्शन ऐसा है तो तालियां कैसी होनी चाहिए. लेट्स गिव अ वार्म वेलकम टू संदीप पुरोहित सर विद अ ह्यूज 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 प्राउड. युवा रत्न अवार्ड के लिए हमारे युवा सीनियर प्रोफेसर संदीप सर.
Thank you from ठीक है. Professor Indira Parikh, 82 years. Bharat Bhai Mehta, 70 plus. Deepak Bhai Mehta, I don't know, but must be 70 or 70 plus. So my dear Yuva Ratna awardees, you know the age profile now. आपको बहुत जल्दी मिल रहा है, लेकिन ये भी ख्याल रहे कि इसके बाद वाला जो है उसके लिए 35 साल यहाँ पे आना पड़ेगा. इन 35 सालों के दौरान कुछ करना भी पड़ेगा. जिसका ताल्लुक HR से हो, सोशल वर्क से हो. आज सुबह ही संदेश न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ा, उसमें एक मेकर फेस्ट कहीं पे चल रहा है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो अबाउट दैट? हाँ, गुड गुड गुड. एंड स्टिल यू हैव कम हियर. सो मेकर फेस्ट का एक न्यूज़ आइटम कैरी हुआ है संदेश गुजराती न्यूज़पेपर में. मेरे घर पे गुजराती न्यूज़पेपर आता है, ગુજરાતી છું. જમીની હકીકત સાથે જોડાયેલા રહેવું હોય તો ગુજરાતી વાંચવું, ફાવે તો બોલવું ખરું. सो उसमें लिखा है HI वर्सेस AI. AI is artificial intelligence, all of us know. HI is human intelligence. तो सुबह से AI ने हमें तकलीफ देने के काफी प्रयास करे, लेकिन HI हर वक्त हमें मुश्किलों से बाहर निकाल के ले गई. So HI will at any point in time, my dear friends, is going to rule over AI. वैसे मैं AI HR के बारे में बताने के लिए नहीं खड़ा हूं यहाँ पे. SHRP introduced Yuva Ratna Award against 2 years, about 2 years ago. This is its third version. And every year, you young people have helped SHRP to outdo the previous year. पहले साल में 35, करीब 35, हिरेन भाई 35 पहले साल में अवार्ड 60, फर्स्ट ईयर 60 थे, सेकेंड ईयर सेकंड ईयर 64, अब हम 70 के हो गए। अवार्ड के एप्लीकेंट्स की बात चल रही है, मेरे बारे में इन्होंने बता दिया है ऑलरेडी। This time round we had as many as 70 people applying for Yuva Ratna Award from within Vadodara, within Gujarat, up north Noida, down south Hyderabad. That is the range of applicants and applications to Yuva Ratna. So can we have a big round for the organizers? हिरेन भाई और उनकी टीम सिर्फ हम तक नहीं पहुंचती, अब उन्होंने अपना व्याप काफी बढ़ा दिया है। तो आने वाले दिनों में दी फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकंड रो ऑल्सो में प्लीज नो दिस कि ज्ञान रत्न में भी और कंपटीशन बढ़ेगा। डरा नहीं रहा हूं। When it was time for us to evaluate the applications, all of us were at a loss, क्योंकि हम जेन जी और मिलेनियल्स को इवेल्युएट करने जा रहे थे। तो सबसे पहले हमने एक रूल बनाया, हम और हमारे 3 और दोस्त, अमित है यहाँ पे, अमित प्लीज खड़े हो जाइए। सुरेन जी हैं कि चले गए? सुरेन जी और फिर तीसरे थे दत्तेश भी चले गए। अच्छा, रुके रहिए भाई, रुके रहिए। यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग द अदर 2. We decided how to evaluate, how to reach the minds of these people, because ये वो जनरेशन है, फर्स्ट रो सेकंड रो में तो स्टॉलवर्ड्स ऑफ एचआर बैठे हुए हैं। दिस इज दैट पर्टिकुलर जनरेशन कि अगर उनको बुरा लग गया तो ब्लॉक कर देंगे। मेरा नाम क्यों नहीं आया, क्वाइट क्विटिंग कर देंगे कि अब से मैं ऐसे चारपी फंक्शन में नहीं जाऊंगी, मेरा नाम क्यों नहीं आया। तो मैं और बाकी 3 साथियों का नाम मैंने इसलिए लिया कि इनको पहचान लीजिए, अगर अनब्लॉक करना चाहे तो मुझे अकेले को मत करिए। प्लीज अनब्लॉक मिनिमम 4 ऑफ अस। हिरेन वगैरह को बख्श दीजिएगा, क्योंकि दे आर द प्राइम मूवर्स who organize programs like this. अब बैठ सकते हैं। अमित को ठीक से देख लिया है ना? अच्छा। So we thought that let the evaluation process of Yuva Ratna Award be in a manner, in the concepts that young people know, young people understand, and young people practice. तो सबसे पहले जो हमने किया वो हमने फ्रेंड जोन किया। How many of you know what friend zone is? Rajesh Vaidya here, he supervises so many of young people like you. Rishi supervises so many young people like you. We have 2 luminaries from Faculty of Social Work. They teach young people like you. तो हमारे लिए जो 70 का आंकड़ा था, that was friend zone. For Gen Next friend zone is कि आप मेरे सर्कल में है, मैं आपको कंसीडर कर भी सकती हूं, नहीं भी कर सकती, दैट इज फ्रेंड जोन। तो सारे 70 एप्लीकेशंस जितने आ गए थे, हमने फ्रेंड जोन में उसको कंसीडर कर लिया और एक एक करके देखना चालू किया। उसके बाद सेकंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड इज सिचुएशनशिप। हेलो, सिचुएशनशिप क्या है? आपको हम पसंद करते हैं लेकिन अभी आप वेटिंग में हो। तो 70 के 70 हमने जब एप्लीकेशंस देख लिए तो उसमें से करीब 24 लोगों को हमने सिचुएशनशिप में डाला कि ये चारों जजेस को आपकी एप्लीकेशन पसंद आई है। गलत मतलब मत निकालिएगा। आपको तो देखा नहीं है, हमने देखा नहीं था। After situationship, from 70, we came down to 24. The third most prevalent word amongst this generation is benching. आहा, बेंचिंग का मतलब है दो दुखी आत्माएं जो अलग अलग बेंच पे बैठी हैं, हो सकता है एक दूसरे पर नजर पड़े और लगे कि ठीक है हम बेंचिंग से आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. दैट इज बेंचिंग. So out of those 24 applications, we have been able to consider 11. 24 minus 11, 13 are benching. Best of luck to those 13 for 2027. और सबसे अहम प्रोसेस का जो अंत भाग था, सबसे अहम, यदि आप में से किसी को कभी भी ऐसा कुछ लगे कि ये प्रोसेस क्या था, आपने देखा क्या इनमें, आपने पढ़ा क्या इनमें, आपने सुना क्या इनके बारे में, आपने सिर्फ इन्हीं को क्यों तय किया, सो देन एनी ऑफ यू फील लाइक knowing more about it, I have told you about 4 people, me, Amit, Datesh and Suresh. You can HMU us. Hit me up. आप ही का लैंग्वेज है ना, समझ में आ रहा है ना सब कुछ. Now you can make full efforts to HMU us. We may or may not respond. क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम जब मेरी मैनेजमेंट की एक छात्रा से मैंने ये वर्ड सुना HMU, और बहुत सालों पहले की बात नहीं है, अभी 1 महीने पहले की बात है. आई रोट हर बैक, रिप्लाइड प्राइवेटली, ऐसा होता है ना. आई रोट हर बैक, HMU क्या है? सो शी राइट्स बैक टू मी, HMU इज हिट मी अप. तो मैंने आई रोट हर बैक कि ओ माय गॉड, देयर इज सो मच येट टू लर्न. ये सब मुझे नहीं मालूम था. एंड इट वाज सो ग्रेशियस ऑफ हर to write back to me saying yes. फिर उसने मेरा ज्ञान और बढ़ाया उसमें. Sir, HMU is basically connecting with people. If required, you can connect with me. For more information, if you want, you can hit me up. अब एक वेटरन एचआर का तो बड़ा हिस्सा आईआर रहा होता है, और हिट अगर उसने कहीं पे पढ़ लिया, सो प्लीज फील फ्री टू HMU any of us, and we will tell you everything that cannot be. We'll give you a good picture, we'll give you a rosy picture. यदि ऐसा कुछ मानते हैं तो गलत मानते हैं, हम आपको सब सही सही बताएंगे. We have had 3 rounds of trouble discussion, presentation, 3 rounds of trouble for the finally shortlisted candidates. और छोटी सी समय अवधि देकर के हम चीजें मांगते थे आप लोगों से. खैर मेल मैं नहीं करता था, इसलिए मैं बच गया. एंड यू वुड हैव फेल्ट कि एक बार मुझे मेल आया है फॉलोअप मेल, तो शायद मेरा नंबर लग गया. दूसरी बार शायद सोचा होगा कि अरे यार संडे को आपको मेल भेजे गए हैं सैटरडे को विथ अ डेडलाइन ऑफ संडे. वो ऑन पर्पस किया गया था, क्योंकि मैं बहुत बड़ा विरोधी हूं वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस का. जब वर्क नहीं है तो कौन सी लाइफ को बैलेंस करना है भाई? आउट ऑफ 140 crores, how many crores do not have any work? So young people, please don't go after work-life balance. Go after work and life will get balanced automatically. और 35 साल और हैं आपके पास फर्स्ट रो में आने के लिए. I think, Bhavin, that is all that I have to say from the jury side. कि कैसे तय किया, क्यों तय किया, कब तय किया, किस प्रकार से तय किया, और कौन सी चीजों को आपको डिवोर्स करना है. प्लीज डिवोर्स दिस वर्ड कॉल्ड वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, हाँ, बोलने को भी तैयार नहीं है। HMU हो गए हम इसमें, બેન્ચિંગ हो गए हम इसमें, બીજું બધું ચાલેલા, ક્વોલિટી ઓફ વર્ક લાઈફ તો જોઈએ, જ્યાં જ્યાં 5 વાગે જવાનું એટલે જવાનું, પણ જવાનું 5 વાગે, પણ એની તૈયારી 4 વાગ્યાથી ના ચાલુ કરાય. જોઈ લો, સવારે હું 9 વાગે મારું પંચ છે કે નહીં, અરે બેન પણ તે કામ તો 11:30 ચાલુ કર્યું. So that is just a subtle message to all Yuva Ratna contestants and Yuva Ratna awardees. Bhavin, over to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Would like to invite Amit sir also on the center stage, please, with Sandeep sir. So first of all, thank you so much. Yes. So till that time screen is up, would like to invite Prahlad Bhai for a special gift hamper by Crown HR to Sandeep sir and Amit sir. Do we have that? Okay, Vasu and Madhwas. Thank you so much, Sandeep sir, Amit sir, Dattesh sir also, Suren sir also, Rakesh Patel sir. Thank you so much, everybody, for amazing. Sir, you wanted to share something about this, please?
We received nominations from these companies. That is what I wanted to say, so that you get to know how competitive the Yuva Ratna award process is and what quality people we for this award. So congratulations to each one of you.
Thank you, sir. So now can we, it can be remain, or if you have some screen for this Yuva Ratna award process, we can. So Seema. So जिस घड़ी का इंतजार था, बहुत घड़ियों से वो घड़ी आ चुकी है. Yuva Ratna Award would like to invite one by one all fantastic 11 Yuva Ratnas of this year, that is Yuva Ratna 4.3.0 2026 specifically. And as Sandeep sir said, जो लोग bench 2027 के लिए get that bounce back. So would like to invite our first Yuva Ratna with everybody's lots of clap. The first Yuva Ratna. So we have not given any first, second, third, and fourth, and there is no rank. I'm just inviting this person the first, right? So can we have Wasawa Shia? Sorry for if I'm pronouncing name wrongly. Wasawa Shia. Yuva Ratna 2026. इतनी ताली से काम चलेगा? So would like to invite Bhavesh, we got a photo? No? Would like to invite, for this amazing gift hampers, would like to invite our SHRP team member. Archana, can we have on the stage, please? Archana, where is Archana? Archana, are you there? Yes, Archana, please. Okay, she is Dr. Archana now, not just Archana. So, proceeding for the next, can we have Jayati Barot on the stage? UR Ratna 2026, Jayati Barot. Let's give a warm, definitely. Thank you so much. Would like to invite with Sandeep sir and Amish sir, MN Parmar sir to please join this for this award. And then would like to invite Yashvi, please be ready for the moment for the gift hampers. Yashvi. So you have to also stay there. Up. Yashvi, please. And then. Guys, you are Ratna. And sir, I am sure you must be knowing that कि after we close the registration, उसके बाद भी बहुत कॉल आए. But then we stopped the registration. Otherwise, this number would have gone very long. That number.
HR में बुजुर्ग होने के जो फायदे नहीं है वो बता देता हूँ. आफ्टर द फॉर्मल रजिस्ट्रेशन वाज क्लोज्ड, जितने भी 8, 10, 15 लोगों ने अप्रोच किया, ये सारे लोगों ने बोला कि पुरोहित मना कर रहा है. तो बहुत बुजुर्ग भी मत हो जाना.
Right. So can we have next our one more UR Ratna awardee, Shikha Seth. Let's give a round of applause everybody to Shikha. Congratulations, Shikha. UR Ratna awardee 2026. Proud of you, Shikha. Proud of you. Would like to invite Jagdish Solanki sir for the moment of felicitation for Shikha. And then Prithviraj, please be ready for the hamper. Special gift hamper. Crown HR Memento, amazing diary. Prahlad Bhai has a big heart, you know, he is always making sure that he gives the best. Thank you so much. Wonderful Crown HR diary for all the UR Ratna awards. Vasu gift hamper, Madhwa's gift hamper, right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shikha. Congratulations once again. Thank you for being here and for nomination. Thank you so much. Can we have next UR Ratna? Soham Ahuja. सोहम फैंटास्टिक. इतनी ताली से कैसे काम चलेगा, right? This award happens once in a year and 11 people got selected for this award. Would like to invite Yash Pawar sir for this special felicitation to Soham. Would like to invite Neha Tiger to give, give the gift hamper to Shoham. Amazing Crown HR diary. Madhava's gift hamper and Vasu gift hamper.
And just for one more information for Soham Ahuja, he is not new to awards. He has won 7 gold medals in MSW. So we get on the applause for him for winning 7 gold medals. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So can we have next Yuva Ratna? Amir Hamza. Can we have you on the side? Amir. Let's give a big hand, everybody. Amir Hamza, congratulations. Would like to invite Ashok sir. Please join us on the stage for the felicitation for the special Yuva Ratna award to Amir Hamza. Many, many congratulations, Amir. We are so proud of you and would like to invite from SHRP team Rishabh. Can we have you here for amazing Crown HR special memento for Vasu gift hamper and for Madhuva's gift hamper. An amazing Crown HR diary which can make you more organized and productive. Thank you so much, Amir. Thank you. Congratulations once again. So can we have a next Yuva Ratna, Pawan Shatri, everybody, on the center stage. He was nominating, I think so, since multiple years, and this year his contribution has been recognized. Our proud one of the pillar, and would like to invite JS sir, JS Pawar sir. Please, can we have you on the center stage, please, JS Pawar sir, for the special Yuva Ratna award to Pawan. And Dev, please be ready for the next. Congratulations, Pawan. So proud of you. I have been seeing you working so hard since so many years, contributing and nominating in this award Yuva Ratna category. This year you got it. Fantastic. Proud of you. Dev, yeah, please. So as Sandeep sir said clearly, जीतने के लिए लगातार आना पड़ेगा, contribution करना पड़ेगा, दिखना पड़ेगा. If you are not getting award this year, that doesn't mean that you will never get it. Tiger is saying हम हर बार आएंगे, सब टेंशन मत लो. Many congratulations, Pawan, once again. Can we have next Prashant Singh, our next Yuva Ratna? Let's give a big hand to Prashant Singh, everybody. Proud of you. Congratulations, Prashant. 2026 Yuva Ratna. Can we have Rajesh sir, please, on the stage for the felicitation? Rajesh sir, please. Congratulations, Prashant Singh, Yuva Ratna 2026. I'd like to invite, yes, from SHRP team, Rishabh, can you please join for the memento, for the hamper and Crown HR memento, please, Crown HR diary. Vasu gift hamper, Madhwas gift hamper, please. प्रहलाद भाई ये डायरी के हिसाब से ब्लेजर मैच करके आया है. Thank you so much, Prashant. Just joke apart. But can we have next Yuva Ratna? Rushabh Shah. Would like to invite Rishikesh sir for this felicitation. Rishikesh sir, please join us on the center stage for the special Yuva Ratna award. Rishabh Shah, everybody, Yuva Ratna 2076. Hetal Gandhi, please be ready. So the Crown HR Momento, Hetal Gandhi, Vasu and Madhwa's gift hamper. तालियां कम नहीं हो गया everybody. We have 3 more to go. Rishabh, proud of you. Congratulations. Next Yuva Ratna. Thank you so much. Next Yuva Ratna, we have on the stage Mehul Boricha, isn't it? Mehul Boricha. I'm seeing him since long, and this year he got it. Congratulations to your hard work. One more time, Mehul Boricha, and would like to invite Ajay Bhatt sir to felicitate Mehul Boricha. Yuva Ratna Award. Mehul Boricha, congratulations, proud of you. Ashwini Kumar, the SHRP team, can we have you? Yeah. A special Crown HR Momento, Vasu and Madhwa's gift hamper. Once again, congratulations to Mehul Boricha ji. Proud of you. Can we have next Yuva Ratna? Mansi Vyas, everybody. 2026 Yuva Ratna. Where is Mansi? Congratulations, Mansi. We can have Rita Nair, ma'am. Can we have you on the center stage, please, ma'am, for the felicitation of Yuva Ratna Award? Mansi, many congratulations to you. Can we have Seema? Seema, just a second. Seema, please. Crown HR Momento, Vasu and Madhwa's gift hamper. To Yuva Ratna, Mansi Vyas. So everybody, last but not the least, can we have one final name in Yuva Ratna Award? Can we have Khyati Trivedi, everybody? Many congratulations, Khyati. Sure. On a special request of Khyati, Rishikesh sir, she wants you on the stage. HP Rao sir, can we have you please on the stage for the special felicitation? Many congratulations, Khyati. Proud of you. Congratulations. You are Ratna 2026. And our fantastic leader, Mayur, can we have you on the stage, please, for the special gift hampers and memento? So, Crown HR Memento, Vasu and Madhava's gift hamper, specially. Mayur bhai, a fantastic leader, working so hard. He was here since late. So proud of you, Mayur. आपकी पूरी फैमिली के लिए आपके वाइफ भी काफी अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूशन करते हैं. Sorry, I forgot her name. But thank you so much for being here, for the wonderful contribution to all the events. And once again, Khyati Trivedi, proud Yuva Ratna Awardee. Thank you so much. Yes. So every winner, please join us on the stage. All the Yuva Ratna Awardee, please join us on the stage, please, for the final. Come up with your trophy, please. Come up with your award, please. Come up with your trophy. Come up with your awards. Yeah. Hey, please. Okay, fine, sir. Fine, sir. That's fine. Dignitaries would like to invite you. All the seniors and dignitaries, can we have you here? Seniors and dignitaries, can you please join us for the photo for the Yuva Ratna Awards? Please, sir. All the jury members, all the dignitaries. Sir, please, sir. Bharat, sir. Rita ma'am, Ajay, sir. Please, everybody. All the seniors, dignitaries, please join us on the stage, please. Please, please. M.N. Parmar, sir. Jagdish, sir. Everybody. Rajesh, sir. Lakshman bhai, can we have you here, please? Prahlad bhai, Jigar bhai, everybody. The special moment, Yuva Ratna Award. One more time, everybody. Let's give a cheers and a round of applause to all the Yuva Ratna Award 2026. Congratulations to all the awardees. Everybody, proud of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sandeep sir, all the jury members, all the dignitaries here for making this Yuva Ratna Award and Gya Ratna Award more amazing, more fantastic. So picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Please requesting everybody to take your seats. Picture abhi baki hai. Please requesting everybody. Requesting all the dignitaries to please take your seats, everybody. Then we will have enough time in lunch for the photos and all. Right? Requesting everybody to please take a seat. 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 Last 10 minutes to the event. And then we are open for cricket match. No, lunch. Right? So, जिसके बिना हमेशा कोई भी इवेंट अधूरा है, right? Our special supporters, sponsors, all the team members, right? All the contributors who support to make sure that this event happens very smooth, successful. So, can we proceed for that? Team is ready? Can we proceed for that, guys? Okay. Okay, so our special and जितना भी थैंक यू बोले उतना कम है ये पर्सन के लिए। और आप मुझे हर बार हर इवेंट में इनके बारे में बार बार बोलते हुए सुनेंगे, 1000 बार बोलते हुए सुनेंगे। और दिल से बहुत बहुत सारा थैंक यू टू क्राउन HR सर्विसेज, प्रहलाद भाई, our rock star, our superhero, to make sure that all event happens smoothly. Thank you so much, Prahlad bhai. Can we have you on the stage, please? And let's give a gift hamper to Crown HR Services. Please make sure कि प्रहलाद भाई का मोमेंट उनको मत दे देना. Can we have a Vasu gift hamper and Madhwas gift hamper to Prahlad bhai? तालियां बजनी चाहिए everybody. Sorry. Team member. No, I have invited team member, right? टीम आपको मोमेंटो भी देना है, बट देना है एक्चुअली, ट्रे में नहीं रखना है, राइट? ओके, टीम थॉट की ट्रे में लेके आना है। इट्स ओके, माय बैड।
Now, I'd like to introduce Bhavin sir on the stage for I Am Possible Training Solution, Team SHRP. Kindly have Vasu gift and Madhwa's gift. Be on stage, everyone. Round of applause for Bhavin sir.
Thank you. Now, do we have anybody from the Vasu Healthcare team, please? Would like to invite Vasu team on the stage, please. Do we have anybody from Vasu Healthcare? Great. No? Okay. Okay, but thank you so much, Vasu. Since many years, Vasu is contributing, to all the events. Thank you so much. Can we have somebody from the Shashi Catering Services? Would like to invite Shashi team. Anybody is here from Shashi team? Can we have somebody from Standard Security and Labor Services? Anybody from that team? Please, sir. Please join. Please, sir. Vinita, please join. Please join. You can also join. Please come. Thank you so much, Standard Security and Labor Services. Thank you so much for your support, for making this event happen to this scale, to this level. Thank you so much. Absolutely, consistently supporting multiple events. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do we have anybody from Prompt Occupational Health Center? Anybody from Prompt team? No? And this year we have one more amazing sponsor to this amazing, no maida, no palm oil, totally healthy and fit for the corporate gifting, for the amazing festivals, to give this to the employees. We have amazing Madhwa's healthy, happy hamper. And can we have Madhwa's team to take this amazing gift hamper and token of gratitude from our side? Anybody from the Madhwa's team? Can you please join? Thank you so much. And I'm sure you must have tasted the Madhwa's cookies at the entry side. Team SHRP, can somebody join? ये माधवास से ही है, तो माधवास का आप दे दिया ऐसा। बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। Madhava's gift hamper to Madhava's team, everybody. Amazing. And the Vasu gift hamper also. Thank you so much. This Madhava's is the brand of ISKCON, Hare Krishna Mandir, Bhadaj, Ahmedabad. Thank you so much. Now, the last 5 minutes, would like to invite for vote of thanks and concluding the session, Jigar Shah. Enthusiastic, smiling, going day by day more fitter. Guys, for the final time, can we have a round of applause for Jigar Bhai?
जो जिम्मेदारी दी गई है वोट ऑफ थैंक्स एंड दैट टू बिफोर अ स्वीट लंच थोड़ी डिफिकल्ट है लेकिन जिम्मेदारी है. सो डिस्टिंग्विश्ड गेस्ट, एस्टीम्ड कलीग्स and fellow professionals, it is our honor to propose a vote of cordial gratitude to each and every one of you for gracing this occasion with your illustrious presence. Today we had the felicity of celebrating the apotheosis of excellence in our profession, and we are so confident that the encomiums bestowed upon our award winners will serve as a catalyst for their future endeavors. As we bring this Sammelan to a close, we would like to extend our sincere appreciation to the SHRP sponsors like The Crown, Vasu, Shashi, Standard Securities, Bhavin Bhai, I Am Possible, which makes everyone possible to Madhava's, Standard Security again, Tara Sons and Promed, and all lovely volunteers who have worked tirelessly to make this event a resounding success. Your continued efforts have ensured that this noon has been a memorable one, and we are deeply grateful for your contributions too. To our award winners, I offer my warmest felicitations. Your achievements are a testament to the transformative power of human resources, and I have no doubt that you will continue to be beacons of inspiration for your peers too. As we bid adieu to this, I am reminded of the words of the illustrious Mr. Peter Drucker, who once said, the best way to predict future is to create it. I repeat, the best way to predict future is to create it. And that's what we have created today. Today we have created a future, one that is replete with promise, possibilities, and excellence. Let us carry the torch of our collective success forward and strive to make the morrow a brighter and more luminous ones. Last but not the least, we have got the special message and blessings from Professor T.V. Rao and Bakul Dholakia Sahab also. Just few minutes ago, we got the message. So thank you very much. Wishing you a very good day and success towards in your life, all the winners. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Jigar Bhai. Thank you so much. Now, one special announcement. नेहा को किसी का ईयरबड्स मिला है. ओके, तो अगर आपको लगे कि किसी का अगर मिस हो गया है तो नेहा देना है ना. हाँ, नेहा विल गिव यू. एंड देन इसके पास जिसका रजिस्ट्रेशन पेंडिंग होगा या लंच की कूपन नहीं होगी तो प्लीज आप लोग रजिस्ट्रेशन डैश से यू कैन गेट दैट कूपन. If you have some doubt, question, Neha can guide you for that. Okay, so thank you so much once again for being here and for making this event amazing. We are very much optimistic for scaling up this to the next level next year, 2027, a bigger level of Gyan Ratna, a higher level of Yuva Ratna, and this time we hope for कि हमें registration time पे मिल जाएंगे. Line खत्म होने के बाद, ना registration link close होने के बाद लोगों के request नहीं आएंगे. So we are very much optimistic that we get registration early. Because this time, even last day also somebody called. I was sitting there. Last day somebody called. Okay, sir, क्यों उसे काल लूं? So please, this doesn't happen like this last day. But thank you so much. One more time, everybody. Huge round of applause for each and everybody who came here for this event. Thank you so much. And absolutely, you know that SHRP is trying so hard since so many years to make sure that we promote environment. We make sure that how we can optimize resources, how we can learn together. All the participants had made an oath कि वो plastic, जितना हो सके उतना कम use करेंगे. Tissue papers, जितना भी चीजें कम हो सकता है use करना. Resources हम लोग optimize कैसे कर सकते हैं. So we are making sure that everybody can support us on that environmental part. And absolutely, you guys must have observed that we have completed on time. Right? So cheers to that also. अरे इसमें तो ताली बन के लंच टाइम पे ओपन हो रहा है. जस्ट इमेजिन, आपके और लंच के बीच में मैं हूं, एंड जब तक मुझे वो रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिलेगा तब तक मैं आगे बढ़ाऊंगा नहीं. दैट इज फॉर श्योर. सो एवरीबॉडी, लेट्स गिव अ cheers and big hand. Thank you so much. We are signing off. Gyan Ratna 4.0 and Yuva Ratna 3.0. We are meeting next year. We will be announcing more events. Stay tuned for the more events. And thank you so much. And please rise up for the national anthem. And then we can proceed for further.
आइकन को प्रेस करें.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाहे तव जय गाथा. जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.